In this video, we're diving into one of Filmora's most exciting features, planar tracking and motion tracking. If you've ever wanted to add text, images, or graphics that stick to moving objects, or track elements across your footage in a smooth, professional way, this is the video for you. So let's get right into it. Alright, let's start with motion tracking. Motion tracking lets you follow a particular point or object in your video, which is especially useful if you want to add text, images, or even special effects that follow the subject as it moves around. For example, if you want text to follow someone as they walk, or an icon to hover over a moving car, this is the tool you'll use. Start by importing your footage into Filmora and dragging it onto the timeline. Click on the clip to select it, and go to the Motion Tracking tab. You'll find it on the toolbar just above the preview window. Once you're there, enable motion tracking by clicking the checkbox. A tracking box will appear on your video. Drag this box over the area or object you want to track. For example, if you're tracking someone's face, place the box over their head. Now click Start Tracking. Filmora will analyze your clip and track the object's movement. Once the tracking is done, you can add an element to attach to that motion. Go to Link Element, choose what you'd like to follow the tracked object, and it will sync with the movement perfectly. Alright, quick pause here. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future editing tips. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Now, let's talk about planar tracking. Unlike regular motion tracking, planar tracking follows the movement of surfaces or objects in perspective. This is great if you want to replace a screen on a moving phone, add text that matches the angle of a wall, or add logos that move with a surface. Planar tracking helps achieve that stuck-to-the-surface look, even when the object isn't moving directly side to side or up and down. Again, start by importing your footage into Filmora and placing it on the timeline. Select the clip and go to the planar tracking option. Just like with motion tracking, this will open a tracking box. Resize and position this box to cover the surface or area you want to track. If you're adding a graphic to a screen, fit the box tightly over that screen. Here is a tip. I recommend you zoom in to make sure you fill in the spaces completely. Otherwise, there might be spaces left unfilled and we would have to tracking again. Once ready, hit Start Tracking. Filmora will analyze the motion of that surface, even if it changes perspective. Now, add the image, text, or video you want to display on that surface. Filmora will automatically fit it to the tracked plane, giving it a realistic, stuck-on look, and that's a wrap. With Filmora's motion and planar tracking tools, you've now got the power to add some awesome effects to your videos. Remember, practice is key, so experiment with these features to see what kind of effects you can come up with. If you found this tutorial valuable, hit that subscribe button, like, and share this video with fellow creators who might benefit from it. Also, drop a comment if there's anything specific you want to learn next. Thanks for watching.